So once we go ahead and loaded our pre-rolls into the tray, all 40 of them, we're gonna put this into the mount there and make sure it's snug. And then we will go ahead and put our lid on top, which is magnetic. We're gonna press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to get that to reset, and then return to our home screen. And once the green button is lit, that means that we are good to start. So as you can see, it does that first punch originally, and then dispensing the second time. And now where that needle is going to before the tray moves is called the safe position. And again, you just want to make sure that that is above the top of the tray. So that little bit of residuals right there is just loose flour. It's not an issue. If you were to notice the needle dripping in between pre-rolls, that would just mean there's an air bubble in the line, and you would want to then prime that line one more time. So now that we are done infusing, we're gonna go ahead and carefully remove the lid and take the tray off and put it on our dismounter here and dump out all of the finished product.